Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and setting up the Ultrahuman Ring Air, which is one of the most anticipated fitness tech gadgets in India right now, which is also worn by PV Sindhu and Shreyas for tracking their fitness activities and daily lifestyle. Let's just dive into it and let's see what do we get with the Ultrahuman Ring Air. So starting में guys, obviously since it's a ring तो इसमें sizes difference रहते हैं. तो whenever you order it through the Ultrahuman website, वो आपको एक ring sizing kit भेजेंगे that would be dispatched under 24 hours. So let's just unbox it first. For that, you have to pull it from here. And trust me guys, ये 24 hours में dispatch हो जाएगा. So it won't take much of your time. This is the actual ring that you will get afterwards or when you will select your color and the ring size. This is how the ring sizing kit looks like. We'll open it up and now here is a ring sizing kit. So Ultrahuman Ring Air comes in 5 colors: raw titanium, aster black, matte grey, space silver and bionic gold. So I've ordered aster black. And these are the steps that you need to follow. So first step is to try on a sample ring. Second is to take the 2-night sizing kit. You can read the description of the same. Then third, review your ring color. And fourth is to submit your ring size. And you're good to go. So yeah, these are the rings that you'll get. Different sizes. The ring size number 9 fits best on my fingers, like you can see. So you have to make sure that ये direct ऐसे घूम नहीं पा रही है. Like I am really trying to rotate it, but it is not rotating. अगर ये ऐसे normally rotate हो जाएगी, for example, if I'll show you it with a bigger size, then you don't have to order that because उसमें वो tracking जैसे इसमें rotate हो जा रही है ना काफ़ी आसानी से. So you don't have to order this. You have to order the one जिसमें वो एकदम properly stick हो जाए, like it is stuck, and ये properly track कर पाए. And you can check this on different fingers as well. Like on this finger, it is a little loose. So I can probably wear it on my left hand as well. So after selecting your ring size, like which is 9 in my case, so you have to select the ring size and you have to submit it on the Ultrahuman app. The ring size and the color. Color you can review from here as well. You will see the actual colors, how your ring will be looking after you receive it. Now without any further delay, this is really important for you, so you have to make sure that you get it if you know your ring size, right? If you have worn Ultrahuman in the past, so you can definitely directly select your size and your order will be dispatched accordingly. Now comes our main part, which is the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Now let's just unbox it. Here is the ring box. Just take it out. So this is how the box looks. It shows that these are the metrics that it basically tracks. This is how the box looks. It shows the Ultrahuman Ring Air accurately. Also further in the video, I'll be telling you guys how you can basically get a 10% off coupon as well, through which you'll be getting a discount if you buy Ultrahuman Ring Air, right? So let's just unbox them in the front of the camera. And yeah, here is a ring. Look how beautiful it looks. I'll just take it out for a sec and review the things in the back. I'll just keep it here. What else do we get? We get this kind of a manual or so, I guess. We got the signs of a sleep recovery. Hello cyborg, I don't know what it is. So basically to tell you how you can get started with this ring, I'll just place it inside. So get wired, I guess this should be the USB cable that is given, the Type-C one. So you charge it through a dock that is available inside. I'll show you that as well. So yeah, this is the Type-C cable that you get with it. What else do you get? You get these Ultrahuman cool stickers, right? And you get this charging dock on which you place the ring for charging. Yeah, this is how, and it probably takes 90 minutes to charge. So I've been testing this Whoop as well. So in the next video, I'll be making a comparison of Ultrahuman and Whoop. Although I know Ultrahuman is way better than Whoop in some scenarios, be it regarding the pricing or so, because Whoop is literally 24,000 yearly subscription and this has no subscription. Through my link or so, you will get it for around 25,000 rupees or 26,000 rupees, and that too for a lifetime. So you'll get insights lifetime, and whereas you compare it with the Whoop, so you'll get it for around 1 year or so, right, in that price, which is very costly for India market. Let's start with the setup process. So yeah guys, let's now set up the Ultrahuman Ring Air. So for setting it up, you have to first place this on a charging dock, and firstly log into your Ultrahuman app and connect with your Google account or so, whichever email you use. Then click on connect ring, and now it will basically show you plug the ring charging dock into a power source. So I'll just connect this with my laptop. Yeah, I've connected it with my laptop and it is now turning purple. So yeah, I'll click on continue. Yeah, it has turned purple. And click on continue again. Place the ring on the charger. The LED now turns white. I'll just do it once again. Yeah, so it has turned white. Click on continue. Charge the ring for at least 30 minutes. Sure. I'll click on continue again. Click on allow Bluetooth. It shows it has detected, I guess, the Asta Black size 9. I'll click on start my journey. Pairing request. I'll click on pair. Heart rate sensors is checking. Okay, so it will be basically checking all the sensors. Right, each and every sensor is working. So yeah, the ring has been connected now. Click on got it, and since I haven't worn it yet, so it doesn't show any data or so. So this is how you basically set up Ultrahuman, and you can basically scroll down and check all the metrics. And yeah guys, talking about these features or so, and all the metrics that would be tracking. First one is your activity score. It basically provides a detailed breakdown of your daily activity levels, helping you like stay consistent with your fitness goals or so. Second one, which I basically like, which is also available in Whoop, is the skin temperature. So it basically tracks your body temperature, which can help like detect early signs of illness or stress. Third, it comes with a sleep efficiency, which is obviously the sleep tracker. It basically evaluates your overall sleep quality and suggests ways to improve it, which might be available in under their app as well. And the fourth one is the heart rate variability, which they call the HRV, which basically is a great metric for tracking your stress and recovery levels. Also guys, they have certain power plugs. If you want to add this screen time power plug, which basically tracks screen time and its impact on your sleep. So you can get it for free, and there are certain other paid power plugs available, which are third party obviously, that you can use in the Ultrahuman app. So yeah, so guys, if you want a 10% discount on the same, there is a link in the description guys. You can definitely go and buy it through that link and you'll get a 10% off. Also, if you'll directly go to the Ultrahuman website, you won't be getting any discount. You can definitely check it out as well. The ring would be valued at around 28,499 for you if you won't be going through my link. And if you'll be going through my link, then you'll be getting a 10% off. So your total would come down to around 25,650, which is a very good price, and you won't get it on Amazon and Flipkart as well. Like this price, you won't get it on Amazon and Flipkart as well. If you want to get 10% off, there is a link down in the description and in the pinned comment. Go check it out. If you want to see the comparison of Whoop and Ultrahuman, I'll be posting it in the next few days. Do check it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Good luck.